Google Meet, how to set up ongoing daily meet times. Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up ongoing Google Meet times for each of your periods you teach throughout the day. So in this example, you can see I already set up a meet time for Mr. Faith for his first period, 8:41 to 9:25. And if we click and drill into this, you could see subject area, and we want to keep this as standard as possible for the students. So we want to start out with the subject area, teacher last name, and the period. So you can see Mr. Faith's Social Studies Period 1. It's going to meet from 8:41 to 9:25 a.m. and we're going to have them meet each and every weekday, Monday through Friday. Now, if there's a holiday, there's a day a week that we're not meeting, you can easily X that out when you get to the calendar. But it's easier just to set this up as occurring every weekday. That way you do this once and that's it. So let me show you how this works. So let's set up a Google Meet for Mr. Faith for a second period. So I'll just click on the calendar just below it. Again, subject area, social studies, teacher's last name. In this example, it's his period 2. We're going to start on the first day of school, August 27th. This will start at 9:28 a.m. and his period 2 is over at 10:12 a.m. On the 27th, it will start, and again, so I don't have to do this each and every day, I'm going to select every weekday, Monday through Friday, and this will then run every single day, Monday through Friday, until I tell it to stop. Very important here, we want to add Google Meet video conferencing. This will allow students to then log into the Google Meet, see Mr. Faith's classroom live. And what's nice about this, if it's ongoing, the meeting ID stays the same each and every day for this time frame. So what he'll want to do next is he'll want to take the Google Meet ID, copy it, and place it somewhere in Schoology where the students know, okay, I'm going to log into Schoology for Mr. Faith, period 2, and then have a quick link to then the Google Meet as well, somewhere, a folder in his Schoology, same place each and every day. So they know they'll click on, you use this Google Meet ID, paste it into the join meeting, and then they'll be ready to join his classroom. And again, that stays the same. So date, every weekday, he could change the color if he wants to make period 2 orange. He can do that, whatever his preference is. Any kind of notes, save. So now his period 1 is set up, his period 2 set up. If I move to the next day, same deal. The next day is Saturday, no class Sunday, pick up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If there's no meeting times on Wednesdays, he can click, go into that particular period, hit delete, and you save for this event only. Now that's gone. So he'll do that for each and every period. Once he does that once, he's good for the rest of the school year. And that's how you set up a Google Meet ongoing throughout the school year.